Hi guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Halloween card. I found this free SVG on the Dreaming Tree website, and I'll leave the information below. Isn't that so cute, that card? And the envelope and the detail is so cute. Okay, so first of all, if you don't already subscribe to my channel and you would like to see more of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Okay, let's get started. So I already printed out the images, so let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we're going to fold the blue card on its crease, and then we're going to glue this orange into here. So let me go ahead, get the glue. And we're going to close this, and we're going to glue on the witch next. And I'm going to use a different glue for this. I think it'll go on easier. And we want this part as well. Okay, so we're going to put this on. And this will match up right to the blue. Make sure it's all the way on the end. And just press it and make sure it's attached. Okay, now we are going to add her purple skirt. And I think the liquid glue actually works better than the glue stick today. And it's just easier to put on. Okay, I'm going to add this on her little skirt. Okay, now we're going to put this on top of there as well. She has many layers of her skirt. Wipe off any excess glue. Okay, and then there's a little piece here. This is supposed to be like her rip. There's like a rip in her little skirt. This is a patch. Go ahead and put the patch there. Let me wipe a little of the glue off. Okay, next, we're going to add the green part of the broom handle. And the second portion, just make sure it goes, yep, it goes that way. Now we're going to do the bottom part of the broom. Make sure I have it the right way. Okay. I'll line it up. And then we have one more layer. Make sure that's correct. Yeah. No, goes this way. Wipe off the extra glue. Okay, so this part is her stocking. And I thought that I would add some orange and black stripes. So just kind of color this in real quick. Okay, and we're going to glue this on. Just make sure it goes that way. Okay. And then next we will add this little piece on her boot, the bottom of her stocking. And we have her heel. Okay, goes that way, just double check. Okay. Put this on her heel. And then we want to add a little buckle. Okay, so let's add the buckle. Wipe a little of the glue off. And dab a little of the glue. Okay, so this is what we have so far for the card. Happy Halloween. First, we fold on the crevices, again, the creases, and it's going to go like this. And now I'm going to use this glue. And then this has this little black piece that'll go right here. So let's glue this. There. See how cute. Okay. Then we do the pumpkin. Do that right here. Okay, so this, that turned out super cute. And then this is the envelope. Isn't that cute? That detail is so cute. And you can put this in here. I just think this is the cutest card. Isn't that cute? Well, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.